If you're tired of rice and pasta, couscous is something you should give it a try. So simple to put together and absolutely delicious. To begin, I'm going to measure a cup of couscous into the bowl. And this 1 cup feed 3 people, 2 adults and 1 kid. You don't have to measure it, but I just decided to measure mine today, alright? You can just eyeball it. To soak the couscous, I'm going to be making use of chicken stock. You can use water. I've used water before, but chicken stock or beef stock tastes better with couscous. If you don't have stock, make use of water. But if you have stock, please make use of that. It tastes really better. Once I had the chicken stock, I just go ahead and mix it together. And the chicken stock is not very hot, not too hot and not too warm. Alright, it's in between. I mix everything together and I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. And do not add too much of chicken stock to the couscous. You want the chicken stock to be a little bit above the couscous, not too much. And here I have my egg. I just added a little bit of salt into the egg and some black pepper, and I'll go ahead and whisk it and set it aside as well. In my saucepan, I just added a little bit of oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with the egg. I'll just allow the egg to fry really nicely and set it aside as well. Added a little bit of oil into the same pan and allow to heat up once again. Once it's heated up, I go in with a little bit of onion and some diced carrot. I'm going to stir fry this way about a minute or so just to soften the carrot a little bit. And I have other couscous recipe on the channel. I will leave the link to those videos in the description box below. This is not the only way you can cook your couscous, alright? There are more ways you can cook your couscous, and I still have more couscous video coming up because we absolutely enjoy it, alright? You can make it as a salad, which I have a video on it coming up very soon. A minute later, I just go ahead and add my green peas. This is frozen green peas. I have a video on how I preserve this green peas as well. The link in the description box below. I just stir fry it until the water dries out and I go in with more onion. I love cooking with onion, alright? Just add everything according to your taste. And I add more green pepper and I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I make use of curry and thyme, salt and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. And I go ahead and add some crushed pepper as well. That is a long talk, right? I'm sorry. I go ahead and stir everything together and allow to fry until the water dries out. This is what the couscous is going to be looking like after it has already soaked very well. You first soak the couscous before you prepare the veggies, alright? So it can soak really nicely. And as you guys can see, it is very fluffy. It is not soggy, alright? When you soak your couscous, this is the texture you should be looking for, alright? Make sure that it's not soggy so you can get the perfect couscous, alright? Once you add the couscous into the veggies, just go ahead and stir fry everything together as if you are frying your fried rice, alright? Just stir it and allow to fry, and that is basically it, guys. This meal ready within 30 minutes. So simple to put together and always turn out so delicious. Once I stir it nicely, I just go in with the egg, alright? And I'll go ahead and stir it once again until they are nicely combined. It's looking so beautiful and it smells absolutely amazing. I cover the pot for about a minute or so just for the veggies and the couscous to heat up together. A minute later, I open the pot and I give it a final ghosting. And that is it, guys. It's so simple and absolutely delicious. Serve yourself, serve your family and enjoy. I pair it with some grilled chicken, but I didn't show you guys. I believe we can pair this with some plantain. Let me know in the comment section. Can we pair this with some plantain? Leave a comment below. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.